Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get time-space hop in Shinobi Striker. This highly sought-after substitution jutsu offers incredible defensive and offensive advantages. It provides a brief period of invulnerability and significantly reduces your ninjutsu cooldown, making it a game-changer in battles. To unlock this powerful ability, you will need to train with a particular VR master, which we will cover in detail. Your journey to obtaining time-space hop begins with unlocking the correct VR master. This powerful substitution, jutsu, is exclusively taught by Sasuke Uchiha, specifically his Last Battle version. You will need to purchase the Sasuke Last Battle downloadable content from your platform's store. Once purchased, remember to claim him as your new VR master from the gift box in the game lobby. With Sasuke Last Battle now available, head to the ninjutsu library and set him as your active VR master. To learn time-space hop, you must accumulate training points by participating in various missions and online battles. As you gain experience with him, you will unlock his unique abilities. Time-space hop is usually one of the first jutsu you acquire, often at training rank 1 or 2, making it accessible quite quickly. Once you have unlocked time-space hop, it's time to master its use in combat. This substitution allows you to instantly teleport and become invulnerable for approximately 6 seconds, dodging enemy attacks. Crucially, it also reduces the cooldown of your other ninjutsu, enabling faster ability rotations. Practice timing your activations to maximize its defensive and offensive potential, turning the tide of battle in your favor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.